California Penal Code Section 246 makes it a felony to shoot a gun at a dwelling that is inhabited or at a car or vehicle that is occupied. Now, a home is considered inhabited if people live there, even if they don't happen to be home at the time. And that also includes an attached garage. If you're convicted under Penal Code Section 246, you could face up to 7 years in state prison, much longer if somebody is actually struck by a bullet, and moreover, it's a strike under California 3 strikes law. Here at Schaus Law Group, we've had a great deal of success in defending people who are accused of shooting at a vehicle or a home that's occupied, and ultimately helping people to get their charges reduced or dismissed. What we find a lot of times is that it's a case of mistaken identification. So whenever there's a shooting, it tends to be a very quick, stressful event. People are frightened. People tend to fixate on the weapon that's involved, what's called gun focus, as opposed to getting a good look at the person who's doing the shooting. And so they're very prone, witnesses and victims are very prone to picking out the wrong person in lineups and field show-ups. Also, it may be a situation where you were merely present when somebody else decided to do a shooting. So maybe you're hanging out with some people and one of them suddenly pulls a gun and shoots at a house or shoots at a vehicle. And you really were just there. You had nothing to do with it. And if that's the case, if you were not in on it, then you should not be held liable. If you or a loved one is in this situation and charged under Penal Code Section 246, we invite you to call us here at Schaus Law Group. Tell us the circumstances. We'll look at the case. We'll see what we can do to get the charges reduced or dismissed.